Today's video I would be talking about our new LG dishwasher which I have been using for last 2 years. I'm happy to share my review on this product. Hope you enjoy watching the video. It's recommended to remove food particles, but rinsing is not necessary. We keep all the dirty utensils in the kitchen sink and it is very convenient for us to load and unload the dishwasher. Few utensils are there which I clean with hand like burnt kadai. After the cycle, I will show you the result. We need to load the dishes upside down and make sure no utensils is over by another, or else you will not get desired wash quality. LG dishwashers will get your dishes sparkling clean and help reduce your energy and water consumption. My dishes come out sparkling clean every day. This LG dishwasher is 14 plate setting and very spacious. If you have a family of 4 or 5, this one will be the perfect fit and help you to save water consumption, money and time. It's worth your investment. You can wash stainless steel, ceramic, glass in a dishwasher, but wooden, non-stick, aluminium utensils are not recommended. Try to use dishwasher detergent or tablet, salt, rinse aid from a good companies to get good wash quality. Monthly expenses will depend on how many times you run the dishwasher, electricity unit charges, which dishwashing powder or a tablet you use. In this dishwasher, all times and height of the upper rack is adjustable. If you wish to keep big vessels in upper rack, you can adjust the height according to your need. The upper and lower spray arms are placed with thoughtful water spraying angles. It cleans the utensils with multi-directional rotation. We need to use dishwasher salt to reduce the water hardness, and rinse aid helps to prevent water spots on utensils. Now we have loaded the dishwasher. After this, don't forget to check and spin the spray arms. Make sure the spray arms should not get stuck. Please remember this important step before you start the cycle. Then put dishwashing powder or a tablet in the detergent slot. You need to add salt and rinse aid in its allocated slots. Now let's set the cycle. I use turbo option for everyday usage. It is delight to see sanitized, dry and sparkling clean dishes. Dishwasher may take more time in its own cleaning process depending on the wash cycle you select, from 30 minutes to 3 hours. Especially if you are like me who does all the chores by self without any outside help. Dishwashers are very convenient when you have gatherings at home. While hosting a guest, the last thing that you want to worry about is tackling a mountain of dishes. Dishwasher can handle stubborn stains with ease. In fact, I was myself surprised to see the result. Hot water and steam cleaning function in most dishwashers actually clean and sanitize the dishes. Dishwasher is a good appliance and worth investing. It is really helpful for people who can't find domestic help, working people, and for the senior citizens. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe to my channel and also share it with your family and friends.